G'day all. I've got the Chinese flame licker, flame gulper, or vacuum engine, whatever you call it in your country. I'm going to see if I can get it to run the Wilesco sausage maker, which is a pretty light accessory. I don't think it'll have any problem, but you never know. I've put a flywheel on it. It doesn't come with a flywheel, so I made that. It's a two speeds flywheel. That's what I was meaning to say. And anyway, we'll give it a go and see how we go with it. First go. Yep, and keep going. Warp speed, sausages, enough for an army. Well, that's running that no problem whatsoever. You might have picked up on the video that even when I was turning the turntable, that was enough to make that flame move left or right, and you could hear that drop down in speed. That's how temperamental these are. But well, so far this one's been a good runner. I haven't put that much time on it, but it does start good. I've taken the piston out once and cleaned up the first run, a couple of hours run on it, and put some graphite in there, but besides that it runs pretty good. Just see if that starts again now. Whoop. Slide it once more. It is critical to get that adjusted just right. First go. As always, thanks for watching guys. Bye now.